What is critical thinking? There's a framework that was created by Joe Y.F. Lau in his book, An Introduction to Critical Thinking and Creativity. Think more, think better. His framework includes 6 things. Understanding the logical connections between ideas. Identify, construct, and evaluate arguments. Detect inconsistencies and common mistakes in reasoning. Solve problems systematically. Identify the relevance and importance of ideas. Reflect on the justification of one's own beliefs and values. So how can special educators bring this into the classroom? Here are some tips for them.